Hello guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025. Today we're going to learn about Stable Diffusion, that is about how to generate picture forever. In Stable Diffusion, we usually create a picture here. We're going to generate again manually here. Sometimes when you do this, you want to create a lot of picture that have good quality, and you randomize the seed. So you hope that someone you make it big, but it's pretty boring clicking one by one every single. Yeah, it's about 22 seconds. It's gonna take a while to get better picture that you want. So you might want to generate it forever. You generate it and then you leave it somewhere. And how to do that is actually right click when you are currently loading this. Right click this and then select generate forever. So when this thing finishes, it's gonna generate another picture and generate another picture until you decide to stop. And how to stop it is simply right click here and select cancel generate forever. We're not going to do that yet. We're going to see where's actually the file has been saved. So you could go to your Stable Diffusion location. Easily we use Auto1111 and then enter web UI folder outputs. You will see this 5 folder or 4, depending on the prompt that you use. Since we're using txt2 image, so we're going to click this, and there's a lot of data here. A folder create for every day you create a picture. This is our current picture. They are being processed, so you could actually access here. I set up a GPU temperature, so it's gonna take a while. If you leave it, make sure you set this up, or else you could have a hot PC. Might even broken your GPU, so be careful. Set up your GPU temperature. I'm setting it low because I rarely do this, but make sure you set it up. Remember, set up your temperature. It's go to setting here, GPU temperature. You can see your GPU temperature, sleep times, max sleep, and what important is this GPU sleep temperature. 75 you're going to sleep, and 42 is going to wake up. So when it's reached temperature 75, it's gonna stop processing until the heat slow down to 52. Make sure you create a wake temperature that makes sense. If your GPU never less than 50, they'll make it 48. It's never gonna process. So, and here, your GPU actually could handle more than this. So yeah, that's the key to generate the picture forever. A safe way to avoid things happen like shutting down and stuff. Anyway, let's stop the generation here. Right click and cancel generate forever. When this thing finishes, it's going to stop. And let's see, when it finishes, the generate is stop. And you could check this folder to see all the picture that generate. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and see you again on the next episode. Have a nice day.